Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a dog in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper and let's go. Step 1. Start envelope. Begin by drawing a large oval for the dog's body and a circle above it for the head. Keep your pencil strokes light and gentle. This step sets the foundation for the dog's overall shape, giving us a guide to follow as we add details. Step 2. Add proportion lines. Now, draw a vertical line through the center of the head and body and add horizontal cross lines on the head. These lines will help us align the facial features and maintain symmetry. It's like setting up a grid that guides our drawing. Step 3. Refine contour. With the basic shapes in place, refine the contour of the dog's head and body. Follow the outlines of the circle and oval, making them more precise. This step starts to give your dog drawing a more defined appearance, moving away from simple shapes. Step 4. Place major features. Using the cross lines on the head, place the dog's eyes, nose, and mouth. Keep your pencil light as you sketch these features. This step anchors the dog's expression and personality, bringing your drawing to life. Step 5. Add secondary details. Add the dog's ears, tail, and limbs. Using simple lines and shapes, connect these features to the body, ensuring they align naturally. This step adds character and movement to your drawing, making it more dynamic and complete. Step 6. Finish line weight. Finally, go over your drawing with firmer strokes, darkening the lines you want to keep. Add varying line weights to emphasize contours and features. This step polishes your drawing, giving it depth and making it stand out. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn. Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.